What is up, future nieces, nephews, children, and grandchildren? Just went and saw the waterfalls at Hamilton. If you really want to see what they look like, just go and Google it right now. I'm not going to film that stuff because there's a million videos of that. But we are going to continue to walk, get a great view of Dundas. I did this a long time ago. I think before they even had these stairs and stuff. It was just a trail. There it is. There's Alan and San. Got to catch up and ask them some questions. Look at that view. Hey guys, tell my future people how you're feeling, how the weekend's going.
Pretty well.
This is for the memories.
Right now.
Yep, good old Dundas. Kevin, where do you think you'll be in 5 years?
Where will I be in 5 years?
Yeah, we're going there.
Realistically, I kind of was like, I want to say a hometown Hamilton.
Hometown, office job. No, what's going on? What do you think you'll be doing in Hamilton?
Hopefully dental stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is that what you're taking? Yeah.
Oh,
sweet. So yeah, you'll be running the dentistry industry in Hamilton. Alan, oh, your phone's out. Hello.
Ready?
This, what do you think you'll be doing 5 years from now?
It depends where life takes you, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah, very spiritual.
I have a couple goals, you know. One, aiming to work be part of a team.
Oh.
Especially if I can get the opportunity to go to the Olympics, work as an RMT for the trainers or for the athletes.
That'd be sick.
It'd be a sick goal of mine. Bucket list.
I think you can do it, and you should aspire to do that every day. I think that's definitely possible. San, 5 years from now, what's going on?
23rd.
Yes.
In 5 years, I'll probably get married, probably.
Oh wow, he's gonna be a married man.
Yeah, I'm at that age.
Okay, so
True.
let me ask you guys
family
this.
in like the next week.
That's true.
What's the age where you think it's the best age to get married and the best age to have kids? Your ideal age.
27, 28 to get married.
I want to hear yours. I want to hear
to
you.
get married, maybe like 30, like low 30s for kids.
That's a very common answer nowadays. Would have been different, 40 years ago. What about you? What's your ideal age for marriage and kids?
Mine's different. Mine, like, I want to get married early.
Oh
Like
yeah,
25,
that's
26,
fair. That's
and
fair.
have kids by like 28, 29. Just so I have that age span when they're 20. I'm like 50, right? I still have like the good
That's
old
what I mean. I
energy
know.
and
I
spirit.
thought
Yeah, for sure. You don't want to be this
I would
old
do
guy.
that only if I've established myself, like in life, Like if I have.
Oh
like,
yeah,
like
you're
that,
established. That makes sense.
yeah,
You're not
because,
struggling.
I can't like have kids.
Kids are expensive. And
I have my
that's
life
fair.
in order before I do that.
I think, or is this like by the latest or just ideal?
Your ideal.
Ideally, if I was
Everyone's
married.
ideal age is different, right?
Ideally, if I was married by 26 or 27, because that means I'd like meet someone now that I think I could marry. That's ideal. And then kids would come maybe a couple years after I get married.
Yeah.
Because like Stan said, that way you can get an established career going. Sam.
What would you name your kid, bro?
I'd name it Goku.
Deadass?
Yeah.
Little Goku Pow.
Goku Pal.
Wow.
Well, actually, I got some good to my kids.
Why not?
I would name it
Goku Pal?
my dog Goku.
My dog.
I'm out. See ya.